Did you know that Superhosts can earn 60% more revenue than standard Airbnb hosts? Today with UpperKey, we're diving into how to become an Airbnb Superhost and unlock your property's full potential. Who is an Airbnb Superhost? An Airbnb Superhost is a host who provides outstanding guest experiences. This status is maintained as long as you meet Airbnb standards for exceptional service and high guest satisfaction. What are the benefits of being a Superhost? Enhanced visibility. Your listings appear in prime spots, boosting your chances for more bookings and higher earnings. Trust and credibility. Guests are more likely to choose Superhosts knowing a top-notch experience awaits them. Higher earnings. You can charge more for your premium services. Exclusive benefits. Superhosts enjoy perks like bonus earnings for referrals, travel vouchers, and invites to special events. Steps to becoming a Superhost. First, you'll need to host at least 10 guests. This is your initial milestone and generally one of the easiest to achieve. Next, it's crucial to keep your cancellations low. Strive to ensure less than 1% of your bookings are canceled by you. This shows reliability and commitment to your guests. Then always respond quickly to guest inquiries. Maintaining a 90% response rate is essential for timely communication. Lastly, high ratings are crucial. Aim to secure at least a 4.8 star guest rating to reflect the quality and excellence of your hosting. How to keep your Superhost badge shining. Offer self-check-in. Provide convenience with self-check-in options, enhancing guest satisfaction. Understand guest expectations. Tailor the guest experience by understanding and meeting their needs. Focus on details. Small touches like welcome baskets and extra amenities can elevate the guest experience, ensuring stellar reviews and ongoing Superhost status. Becoming a Superhost on Airbnb isn't just about earning a badge. It's about setting a gold standard in guest hospitality. With UpperKey by your side, managing your property becomes a seamless, stress-free process, ensuring you provide a memorable stay for your guests. Subscribe to our channel for more Airbnb tips. Don't forget to like this video and comment below with your thoughts or questions about becoming a Superhost.